Good morning, everyone. It is October 20th. This is the recording for first period. Let's see. Finally, we get to start on the second semester writing task. And now what I want you to do here basically is go slowly with me, because this is a task that we're going to be doing over the entire semester. Personally, I don't think it's that difficult, but because we have time, I'm going to just give you the task. And this week, all I want you to do is download it. Okay. Once you download it, I want you to take a look at it. So downloading it is very easy. Basically, you just click this. Okay. And there you saw that it was downloading, and it'll show up on your desktop. And as I open it, and as you open it, you're going to see that basically this is very similar to what it was that you were doing before with the tasks that you did in the first semester. Now, first, I have to let Mr. Yamaguchi in. Okay, so let me change the share to here. So here's the writing tasks that you did. Now, if you remember the first semester writing task, we were talking about the names of buildings, the materials, machines, and chemicals, the surprising fact number 1, surprising fact number 2 that you had in your notes. Now, don't worry, you don't have to submit this yet. This is not actually an assignment yet, but I want you to start looking at what this is all about. You have to write topic sentences. This is the big thing that the university wants to make sure that you can do. Topic sentences are very important to them, it seems. So that's what I'm going to help you to do. But if you look at what you submitted to me, and let's go back to our Moodle, what you submitted to me in the first class here in the bottom, okay, with your current writing progress. This document that you sent me, I want you to open that again, and then I want you to look back at this, and you're going to see they're very similar. But what you have to do on the right-hand side is put in these topic sentences. Don't worry, we're going to do more of this next week. What I want you to basically do this week is just be able to go to the Moodle in class 3, okay? And number 1, download it and start looking. If you don't download it, it just becomes, you're right, it's not an assignment you have to do this week. But if you don't download it, it just gets to be more and more work, because what I will talk about next week depends on you understanding what I gave you this week. Okay, the class description is here. That helps you understand what we're going to be doing before the class begins, but the class has begun, so we don't have to worry about that very much. There's the first video. There were 2 videos. Sorry, there's one video that I want you to see, and the next video is for next week. Sorry, I moved it to next week. But this video is important because this is about how to send emails. And some of you are starting to send me emails now, but I can tell that most of you are not used to sending emails to your teachers, and that will probably become maybe a problem when you have to start sending emails to people who are not just your teachers, but your boss or important people as you're trying to look for a job. And it's important for you to know how to write an email. So this is not an assignment, but I want you to watch this video. I want you to know how to send an email properly to your university professors, especially me, when you write in English. And now, every time you write an email, I want you to write an email according to this style. There's an entire style that you probably don't know when it comes to emails, and I want you to be able to follow it. Okay, so watch this video. And if you have to write an email to me and you're not sure about the style, watch the video again, then write your email. Okay, here are the answers to last week's homework, and this is this week's homework. Okay, check your answers, make sure that you got them correct. Then bring down bring down the video lecture, watch that, and then send up your photo upload. Okay, that was the recording for the Moodle for this week. If you have any problems with understanding what I said in English, remember that in YouTube, you can change the language of the subtitles, and that'll help you understand. Okay, thank you very much.